When we talk about the Indian Constitution as an overall concept, we do not require to remember each and every article of our Constitution. Okay, we will focus only on those articles which are extremely important from our own exam point of view. The reason is very simple. We do not want to do PhD here. Our sole objective is to clear the examination. Number one. Number two, we are not in law optional, we are in political science optional. So we will understand the constitution only from the politics point of view, not from the law point of view. Okay, so whatever the political angle is required, we will stick to those answers only. Then the first topic of the Indian constitution we are trying to understand is the first part of the Indian constitution, that is part 1 of Indian Constitution, or simply I. What is the topic? Union and its territory. Clear? Both of you?
Yes, sir.
Are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
Okay, great. So, should we listen to a story?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay, let me share with you a story. And I hope that you will enjoy the story. The story is of a father and his family. Okay, the story is of a father and his family. Now, the father is having, in their own family, the father, the mother, that means husband and wife, and there are two children. One is his daughter and his son. 4-member family, and the kids are very small. They are let's say below 10 years of age. So one day the father decided to build a home, because previously they were staying in rent. Now they decided to build a home. Now tell me, what is the first thing required to build a home? Yes, common
Land.
sense. First we need a land, isn't it?
Yes.
So the father purchased a land, and then the father, what the father did next, as a part of the uh, next step, the father gave some name, let's say, Pitru Bhavan or Matru Bhavan. Sometimes we do give some name to our home, or Matru Bhavan. So that is the name which the father assigned. And as a next part of the process, what do you do after purchasing land? What do you do? What is the next process to build a home? Now you have purchased a land. What next? You create a foundation.
Yes, sir.
Sometimes these whiteboards are also tricky. Anyways, okay, so you create a foundation here, and as a part, how do you create a foundation? And how do you create the foundation? Let's say this is the um, one room. Let's say this is washroom. This big one is bedroom. Let's say this will be our the front room. and this will be another, let's say, kitchen, and this will be another bedroom for kid. Okay, the father decided in this way. So did you get my point? Number one, what did the father do? Purchase a land. As a part of next step, assign, that means the foundation or the rooms. Now, interestingly, what happened? As I told that the kids are of 10 years. Let's say after another 15 years of time period, another, let's say, 10 years. It's like a South Indian movie, isn't it? In the South Indian, every South Indian movie that will start with a village, and that will have a love story between at a very early age, and slowly after 10 to 20 years of time period they will grow up and they will be in a city. So we will also follow the same pattern, and the story also says that now the kids are, at least the age is 20 years now. And then what they did, both the kids, they decided, they started demanding their father that, father, we need our own room or we need our own house. Of course, the father did not have any extra space to build a new home for them. So finally, what the father did, so father then divided this big bedroom, which was meant for the kid, into two different rooms. Okay, one for the son, one for the son, and another one for the daughter. So what is the step number 3 the father did? Because of the demand, the father divided that room into two parts. So did you understand the story?
Yes, sir.
Or you are thinking इतना बकवास स्टोरी कभी नहीं सुना.
No, sir, I'm imagining.
Anyways, because whenever I share this story to the students, initially they think that it is a bakwas story. But of course, I am not here to do any kind of bakwas. I will be sticking to the topic only. Understand? What I was trying to tell you, that it is nothing different than our country. Okay? So the first thing which we need is land. That is the reason why part 1 of our constitution is specifically says union and its territory. Okay, then interestingly, what happens, the first article of our constitution, that is also article 1 of our constitution, says India, that is Bharat. This is the first time. If somebody will ask you, normally we use the word called as India, but if somebody will ask you that, are we also Bharat, is pronouncing the name Bharat is correct? Yes, it is correct. And as a political science student, you can, आप दो चार आर्टिकल उसके मुंह पे आप फेंक सकते हो किसी, अकॉर्डिंग टू आर्टिकल 1, इंडिया दैट इज भारत shall be union of, okay, India that is Bharat shall be union of states. That means the boundary, the big boundary or the land. What is article 2? Article 2 is all about the territory. The territory of India shall comprise of, number 1, all the states, number 2, union territory, and number 3, any other land in future which we may acquire. Which means, can you correlate the article 2 with the rooms which we have created? These are the rooms we have created. That is a territory of India. That means the land, the entire land is now consisting of the states, union territories, and in future any land if we may acquire. Then next article is Article 3. What is Article 3 talks about? Is related to Article 3 is related to bifurcation of the states, or any kind of change of boundary. Okay, this Article 2, if we talk about the legal way of saying, then it is simply say admission or establishment of new states. Did you get my point? So in
Yes, sir. Very
this case,
interesting.
we talked about formation of new rooms. Now Article 2 in a legal language, if we talk about, then it is admission or establishment or creating a whole new state itself. But at the same time, Article 3 will be all about change of the name, change of name, or the change of boundary, or alteration of the boundary. Those things will come. That means you can completely co-link with this Article 3 with after this 10 years of story. That means when the students they demanded that yes papa, we need our own room for our own privacy or whatever may be the reason. So what the father did, instead of as the father did not have any kind of new land, the father bifurcated the big room into two equal rooms for the son and daughter. So are you able to co-link with the story?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, can you remember these articles?
Yes, sir. It's interesting also.
Now, is it easy to remember now?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? Because in future, whenever you will be asked a question on the article 1, 2, 3, 4, do not remember just articles. Just remember that yes, Shankar sir has told me about the story of home or father. Automatically, you can recall that what is the process. First, purchase a land. That means union and its territory. Article 1 says India, that is Bharat, shall be union of states. Next part is the Article 2, which is in legal language admission or establishment of new states, which means creating a new rooms inside that particular boundary. Then finally Article 3, which talks about the bifurcation or the change of name, or formation of new states, or change of name or alteration of the boundary. If we want to swap the boundary, that also comes under the Article 3 of our Indian Constitution. There is another one more article, Article 4. Article 4 is nothing but is how to implement Article 2 and 3. This is a kind of a procedure. This is a kind of procedure or consequences written in this article, which means Article 4, if I talk about the legal language, it says that laws made under Article 2 and 3 to provide for the amendment of the first and the fourth schedule and supplemental, incidental and consequential matters. So this is a long legal language. We no need to remember the statement itself. It's very simple. So what will happen if Article 2 and Article 3 needs to be implemented? That's it. That is all about Article 4 talks. Clear?
Clear, sir. Clear.
Okay. So I will